If you try it again, I will divorce you. If you say that again, I will send you out of my house. I will soon leave this marriage for you. Hey, will you stop that rubbish? Yes, I'm talking to you. Your daddy said she'll rebuke you for him. Stop it. Hey, come on. We all know how powerful words can be. And yet we're not using them to our advantage. Why do you always threaten your partner with divorce at every small occasion? I will divorce you. I will leave you. I will abandon this marriage for you. Why are you like this? You know, those are phrases we usually don't mean from our hearts, but we still throw them around in the heat of the moment. You were so sure you meant it when you said it, but in your calm state, you know you don't. You know what I'm talking about. Words said angrily cannot be unsaid just because you didn't mean them. I say this all the time. Now, let me tell you something. What happens to you when the argument is heated up is that you're vehemently trying to protect the wounded child in you from being wounded again. And in doing that, you use strategies you didn't know could undermine the very foundation of what you're trying to build. Every time you say, I will divorce you during a conflict, even as a joke or a threat, let me tell you what you're doing. Threatens. You're introducing insecurity and instability in your relationship. You see, marriage needs emotional safety. The moment divorce becomes a casual weapon, safety starts to leak. Your bond becomes fragile. Your partner may smile it off, but internally they're asking themselves all manner of questions. And these questions will definitely change how they show up in that marriage. Number two is that you're training your brain to exit. See, every time you verbalize leaving, you normalize it. The brain starts rehearsing separation instead of resolution. Number three is that you're escalating the conflict. Now, instead of arguing about the issue at hand, now you're arguing about the survival of the marriage. Have you seen that you're confused? I know you didn't know this, but that's why you keep doing it. And you need to reconsider that habit after watching this video. One thing I want you to try the next time there's a conflict is what I call presence. Presence is a part of maturity. It means staying in the moment. Feel your breathing and notice how fast your body wants to react in the heat of the moment. And slow it down. Don't predict your spouse. Don't interpret them. Don't assign any meanings to their tone, their words, or their facial expressions. Just listen with curiosity and with some element of humility. Just assume you might not have the full information or the full picture of what is happening, and just notice what happened to your body throughout this process. That awareness alone can change the direction of any conversation. And when you do this, please come back to this video again and share your experience. I genuinely want to hear from you. All right, guys, I have delivered the message your daddy said I should deliver to you. I wish you all the best. Till then, bye.